Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through the most trendy and highly demanded collection of Borderless soft silk sarees. The material used is light in weight, soft in nature and easy to carry. And about the design, beautiful buttas are running all over the body part along with a rich contrast pallu and running blouse. We are having a lots of unique putta design in this model and you are getting this beautiful collection in a price of 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside South India. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Instagram and Facebook pages. The links are given in the description. The stock is limited, so grab your order soon. Hope you like the collection. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Also follow our Instagram page for daily update. Have a good day and thank you for